After the Supreme Court tells Ranjit Sinha to file his reply within the next 7 days, the CBI Director Ranjit Sinha is evading questions on Diary Gate.
Sir, these are serious allegations, sir, very serious allegations. The Supreme Court says these are serious allegations.
So that is how you see the CBI Director Ranjit Sinha is choosing not to react to the media. In fact, not even coming out and giving any kind of statement after this entire matter now is in the apex court. Let's once again show you how he's choosing not to react to those questions.
Sir, these are serious allegations, sir, very serious allegations. The Supreme Court says these are serious allegations.
So after the Supreme Court tells Ranjit Sinha to file his reply within the next 7 days, the CBI Director Ranjit Sinha evading direct questions on Diary Gate. In fact, when he's asked there by a reporter as to what really is his line of defense on that visitor's diary, which is now in the apex court, he's choosing not to say anything. And this entire issue has been rather very controversial. The Supreme Court is telling Sinha now to reply. Let's get in the very latest from Meetu, who's joining us. Meetu, we've heard the CBI director earlier only saying that these entire allegations against him are absurd. But, the Supreme Court is recognizing the weight of these allegations and asking Sinha now to reply.
That's right. In fact, Ranjit Sinha, CBI Director, has been asked to file a counter affidavit on the allegations that have been leveled against him by Prashant Bhushan. One really has to see whether his defense that he puts forward to the court would be accepted by the court or not at the moment. But yes, Ranjit Sinha has been saying all along, and that's what he's told Times Now as well, that in order to catch a thief, you need to set a thief. So essentially, he says he was meeting all these people in order to get more information out of them. And essentially, he got a lot of leads, which help them in the investigations that are being carried out by the CBI. Now, whether this is a matter of impropriety, the fact is that the Supreme Court has stopped short of, really indicting him. They've said that the allegations against him are extremely serious. Now, whether the Supreme Court will stop short at that, or would they be accepting the explanation given by Ranjit Sinha remains to be seen. But at the moment, yes, Ranjit Sinha is not in a very comfortable position, so to say.
And Meetu, let's not forget that Ranjit Sinha calling all these allegations fake and dubious, in fact saying that this is an attempt to malign his character, does this in a way also say that, the contents of this diary in fact are said to be fake by Ranjit Sinha? Would that be a fair line of logic to take?
Well, Ranjit Sinha has been saying all along that this is character assassination and this is slander mongering. He's been saying that this is slander against him. Essentially, what he's saying is that this is an attempt by Prashant Bhushan. And of course, remember, he's also filed a counter affidavit against Prashant Bhushan. He's filed a case of perjury against him because he says that the CPIL, which has Kamini Jaiswal in it, they filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court which is completely incorrect, and essentially it amounts to perjury. They've been trying to mislead the court. So Ranjit Sinha mounting a defense on his own saying that where Prashant Bhushan is concerned, they are an interested party. They're trying to derail the investigation. But that might be Ranjit Sinha's stand. The fact is, where the Supreme Court is concerned, they do say that these allegations are extremely serious, and whether it is impropriety or whether there is more to it remains to be seen. But of course, all eyes are now going to be on what Ranjit Sinha says in that counter affidavit that he will be filing, and of course in the next date of hearing. But at the moment where Ranjit Sinha is concerned, he is of course trying to put up a brave defense. One really has to see whether the Supreme Court will be accepting it.